Well, I see it as my role to be really proactive on this issue. So rather than delegating topics to the bilingual champions, we actually work as a team. So when the college put together its Welsh language scheme, we worked as a three of us worked together to design that and to and to put the details into that. And I think the other area is that I fully support the champions in their area of work. So if they make decisions about what they want to do, then I'm fully behind them as part of that. What I also do is I'm also very vigilant in terms of the way that the areas of the college are either using the language or not using the language. So sometimes I'll get an email through announcing an event in college. I'll see that it's only through the medium of English, and I'll either email the person, or usually I go and see them and say, this needs to be done bilingually. So what I like to be is, as it were, the sort of almost like the public face within the college about promoting the language. Although there's an irony there, because here I am as somebody who is English, who is an English speaker who only has very limited Welsh, being part of that. The other thing that I do is that I chair the college's Welsh language staff group. And this is a group that's been established for a number of years, but obviously post-merger has now got a slightly different identity. And this group now has the responsibility for monitoring the Welsh language scheme. And I take the lead in relation to this group, and I think it's good for staff to be able to talk to a deputy principal about Welsh language issues. And most people on the group are Welsh speakers. They're not necessarily fluent Welsh speakers, but there are some people who are English speakers. So it's a nice mixed group of people. And what I also do is I make sure that the college at a strategic level constantly reminds itself that it is a bilingual institution, and that we have to think and act bilingually. And that's a complex area, because our work isn't just about working with students. We're a major employer. We employ nearly 1,000 people. So you're then dealing with issues to do with employment law, human resources, health and safety, and a wide range of other things. And having to operate all of that bilingually is a major challenge for an organisation, because so often people only focus on your students and the courses that you run.